الله أكبر. الله أكبر.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are together with Islamic rules and regulations, Islamic ahkam, with the subject of Friday prayer, how to say Friday prayer. We talk about the importance of Friday prayer on the eyes of ahadith, traditions of Ahlul Bayt and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and also in the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the Holy Quran. Now, how to say Friday prayer. Friday prayer is a 2 rakah prayer, the same as morning prayer, 2 rakah prayer. But there must be, recited 2 ceremonies before the Friday prayer by Imam al-Jumu'ah, or the person who is leading Friday prayer. And it is also mustahab and recommended that Imam on the first rakah recite after Hamd Surah Jumu'ah, and the second rak'ah, Surah Munafiqun. So the first rak'ah after Hamd, Surah Jumu'ah. The second rak'ah after Hamd, Surah Munafiqun. It is recommended and also mustahab. And also it is mustahab and recommended for Imam alayhi salam to be done 2 qunut. 2 qunut. The first one on the first rak'ah before ruku, before going down, and the second on the second rak'ah after ruku. So first rak'ah before ruku, second rak'ah after ruku. This is the conditions, and also how to say Friday prayer. Now we will go to some questions. There are 2 questions from one of the ulama. The first, we see that there are some Friday prayer which is held on the other countries that they are not also Islamic countries, but both Shia and Muslims, Sunni Muslims, are taking part in the prayers. So we see that in that prayer also Imam and a person who is leading Jumu'ah prayer and Friday prayer is not a Shia Muslims, he is a Sunni Muslims. What is the rule in this regard first? And is it necessary in such a situation that we say and recite Dhuhr prayer again after this prayer? So ulama say taking part in such a Friday prayer that you explained is acceptable, no problem for them, and also it is good for the unity of Muslims. And also this is not necessary to be recited the Dhuhr prayer. The next question, somebody says that I am living in one of the cities in Pakistan for about 40 years. And Friday prayer is being done in this, country and in this city. We see that some of the people who are taking part in such a prayer, they do not observe some conditions. For example, the distance between the first line and the second line, or maybe between the lines is more than usual. Is it acceptable or not? Ulama will answer, if such an action, I mean the distance between the lines of the prayer, is somehow as a sign of unity of the ummah, and it is not the sign of the something like this, something different, it is acceptable, and taking part also in such a Friday prayer is recommended because of the unity of ummah. So we see that ulama, they say the most important things is the unity of the ummah. So Imam al-Jumu'ah, if it is Shia or Sunni, no difference and no problems. Okay, inshallah, till next session. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.